Hi, kids. It's Nikki. I'm so happy you're here today. Guess what? I'm going to be building a word today with cookie dough. Yum. The word I'm going to be making starts with the letter A. Can you help me find today's word? Is this the word? No. Is this the word? No. What about this word? Yes, you're right. This word does begin with the letter A. Today's word is and. Can you say and?
And.
The word and has the letters A, N, and D. Now we're going to make the word and with our cookie dough. If you happen to have some cookie dough in your house, you can build with me. So we're going to start with the letter A. I'm going to roll some dough in my hand and form a nice round circle. Here we go. Yep, it looks nice to me. Let's shape it up a little bit. That looks like it needs fixing. Here we go. That's a nice circle. Now I'm going to get some more to make the right side of the A. There we go. Shape this a little bit. And there it is. That's looking like an A. What do you think? All right. I like that. Next, let's do the letter N. So I'm gonna get just the right amount to make a straight line. All right. That looks good. All right, let's get some more to make that curve. That curve that we see in our N. Curve. Make it perfect. Fix it a little bit. That's looking good. Yep, I think I like that. I'm liking this N. All right, let's grab some more. Let's make our D. We're gonna need another nice circle. Here we go. Round and round. Round and round. There it is. That's right. That looks good. Then to the right, we need a nice long line to finish our D. There it is. Take a little piece off. Let's put it to the side on the right. Sweet. That's looking like a D. A, N, D. And